Hello YouTube. It is Berbizooka. 100 times better than chocolate. Found a useful cure for bad mood. A bar of chocolate or glazed curd cheese isn't enough to avoid stress and sadness. Scientists believe there are other foods that can improve mood without harming the body. Sweets like ice cream and biscuits are more harmful than beneficial. Overeating these foods can cause your blood sugar and energy levels to drop dramatically in just a couple of hours, leaving you much more irritable and tired than before. Less processed whole grains are much healthier because they retain most of the nutrients but also have fewer carbs. Plus, carbs in whole grains take longer to digest, so there's no chance of a spike in blood sugar. It is reported by Food News. Recent studies have shown that people who eat a balanced breakfast regularly have a lower risk of developing depression. For a full breakfast, choose foods rich in fiber, healthy fats, and nutrients. Oatmeal made from whole, fiber-rich oats is a good example of a hearty and nutritious breakfast. Salmon, sardines, mackerel and other fatty fish are full of omega-3 fats. Several studies have shown that these fats, which are also found in nuts and seeds, are beneficial for the brain and mental health. Caffeine triggers the release of chemicals into the brain, such as the pleasure hormone dopamine. However, excessive consumption of coffee or tea, on the contrary, contributes to irritability and can even provoke insomnia. Thus, healthy and tasty foods can help improve mood better than sweet and unhealthy foods. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.